Welcome everyone, and thank you for being here today. In this video, I will show you how to turn on the Force Enable Zoom option in the Vivaldi browser on your phone. This setting is very useful if you want to zoom in on websites. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Next, tap on the Vivaldi icon at the top right. From this menu, scroll down and select the Settings option to access browser preferences. After that, scroll down and tap on Content Settings. After that, tap on Accessibility to open text and display options. Now, scroll down slowly until you see the option called Force Enable Zoom. Finally, turn this option on by tapping the switch, and zooming will now work on all websites, even those that usually restrict it. This simple change can make browsing much more comfortable, especially on small screens or text-heavy pages. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, share it with others who may need it, and subscribe to the channel for more useful browser tips.